Hello friends, welcome to our channel Vedic Katha 2.0. Today we will tell you Parma Ekadashi Vrat Katha. So devotees, if you like this video, then definitely watch this video completely, because on this channel we provide you all the fasting methods, Vedic mantras, fasting stories and all the information related to them. So if you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Then let's start. Har Har Mahadev Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Parma Ekadashi is observed on the 11th day. That is, Ekadashi Tithi during the Krishna Paksh, the dark fortnight of moon of the Adhika Masa of the Hindu calendar. In the Gregorian calendar, it falls between the months of July to August. In the Hindu calendar, Adhika Masa is one extra lunar month that occurs once in every 3 years. This month is considered to be very auspicious and is dedicated to Lord Vishnu. Parma Ekadashi is therefore also known as Purushottam Kamala Ekadashi. It is believed that observing this Ekadashi brings material progress and washes away all the sins committed during the current and the previous lifetime. Parma Ekadashi 2023 is on 12th August Saturday. Important timings on Parma Ekadashi 2023. सुनरी से 12 अगस्त 2023 सुबह के 6:05। सनसेट 12 अगस्त 2023 शाम के 6:58। एकादशी तिथि बिगिंस 11 अगस्त 2023 सुबह के 5:06। एकादशी तिथि एंड्स 12 अगस्त 2023 सुबह के 6:31। हरिवसर एंड मोमेंट 12 अगस्त 2023 दोपहर के 12:59। द्वादशी एंड मोमेंट 13 अगस्त 2023 सुबह के 8:20। परना टाइम 13 अगस्त सुबह के 6:06। अगस्त 13 सुबह के 8:20। The Vrat Katha story of Parma Ekadashi, as told by Lord Krishna to King Yudhishthir, is as follows. Shri Yudhishthira said, O Janardana, please tell me about the Ekadashi falling in the Krishna Paksh of the extra Adhik Mas month. Krishna replied, O King, the name of this Ekadashi is Parma. Observing its fast destroys all sins and grants liberation in this world and the next. In the Parma Ekadashi fast, one should worship Lord Narottama Narayana, Purushottama, with incense, lamps, offerings, flowers, and more. There is a captivating story about this Ekadashi, which took place in the city of Kampilya with the sages. Let me narrate it to you. In the city of Kampilya, there lived a virtuous Brahmana named Sumedha. His wife, Pavitra, was highly pure and devoted, but they were penniless due to the karmas of their previous lives. Even when begging for alms, they would not receive any. Pavitra, despite lacking the necessary clothing, always served her husband. She would go hungry herself to feed guests and never asked her husband for anything. So friends, before proceeding further, if you like the video, then subscribe to the channel. Seeing his weak wife, Sumedha said, Beloved, whenever I ask the wealthy for help, they don't give me anything. Household life requires money, so I must do something. Should I go abroad to seek my fortune? What is your advice? His wife replied humbly, Husband, it is true that whatever the husband says, the wife must follow, whether good or bad. Those who gave knowledge and land in their previous lives receive the same in this life, and those who did not receive only food from the divine. I cannot live without you. Women without husbands are criticized by their mothers, fathers, brothers, fathers-in-law and relatives. So, I urge you to please stay here with me. One day, the sage Kaundinya came to that place. Seeing his arrival, Pavitra and Sumedha paid their respects and said, "Today, we are blessed. Our lives have succeeded by your darshan." They offered him a seat and food. After the meal, Pavitra said, "O sage, please tell me how to end our poverty. I have prevented my husband from going abroad to earn money. It seems destiny has brought you here. I am confident that our poverty will soon vanish. Kindly instruct us about a vrat that can remove our poverty." Kaundinya Muni replied, "Observing the Ekadashi of the Adhik Mas, Malmas, in the dark fortnight of Krishna Paksh, called Parma Ekadashi, destroys all sins, sorrows, and poverty. Whoever observes this vrat becomes wealthy. During this fast, there should be night vigils with dance and song." Kuber was able to attain wealth and become the ruler of riches through his observance of this fast, which was granted to him by Mahadev. Satyavadi Harishchandra gained sons, wife, and kingdom through the influences of this fast. The sage continued, "Brahmana, the Pacharatrika Vrata is even more excellent. One should begin the Pacharatrika Vrata after the morning rituals on the day of Parma Ekadashi. Those who observe a 5-day fasting without water will ascend to heaven with their parents and wives. Individuals who offer food to others in the evenings for these 5 days will be rewarded with a place in heaven. Those who provide meals to the Brahmans for 5 days will gain the results of feeding the entire world. Giving away horses in charity during this fast bestows the merits of donating 3 worlds. Offering sesame seeds to a deserving Brahman bestows residence in Vishnu's abode equal to the number of sesame seeds. Those who remain celibate during the 5 days, accompanied by bathing, will enjoy heavenly pleasures with the divine damsels. O Pavitra, you and your husband should observe this fast together. By doing so, you will attain success here on earth and ultimately reach heaven." Kaundinya Muni's advice was followed, and they observed the Parma Ekadashi fast for 5 days. They saw a prince standing before them at the end of the fast. The prince gave them a well-adorned mansion and land as a gift and went back to his palace. Due to the fast's effects, both enjoyed immense pleasures in this world and finally ascended to heaven. So friends, before proceeding, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then subscribe to our channel immediately. Thank you. Shri Krishna conveyed, "O king, one who observes the Parma Ekadashi fast attains the rewards of all pilgrimages and acts of charity. The Pacharatri in the extra month is supremely virtuous. In this month, both Padmini and Parma Ekadashi are foremost. Their fasts absolve all sins of this life and the previous ones. Even the feeble must undertake at least one fast. Those who neglect bathing during the extra month and abstain from Ekadashi Vrat incur the sin of self-destruction. After a lot of virtue, the soul gets a human life. Therefore, it is imperative for every individual to diligently undertake the Ekadashi fast." Rituals of Parma Ekadashi. On the day of Parma Ekadashi, devotees keep a fast all day. They do not eat food at all, but some devotees also observe this vrat by eating fruits and dairy products. Like all other Ekadashi vrats, fasting on this day also starts from Dashmi. The observer of this vrat eats food once, that is prepared without using salt. This is done to ensure that no traces of food remain in the stomach on the day of Ekadashi. The Parma Ekadashi Vrat is put to end on the Dwadashi Tithi after offering food to a Brahman. Ekadashi is dedicated to worshipping Lord Vishnu, and hence on this day also the devotees offer prayers to their deity with full devotion. The idol of Lord Vishnu is worshipped with flowers, tulsi leaves, fruits, dhoop and incense. Chanting Vishnu Sahasranam and reading Vishnu Purana is considered auspicious on Parma Ekadashi. The observer of the Vrat must also read the Parma Ekadashi Vrat Katha. Devotees also visit the temples of Lord Vishnu and listen to bhakti songs and bhajans all night. Offering donations in the form of foods and clothes to Brahmins is also believed to be highly gratifying on the day of Parma Ekadashi. Significance of Parma Ekadashi. Parma Ekadashi is a very auspicious Ekadashi observance of the Vaishnavas. It is a strong belief that the observer of this Vrat gets freedom from the cycle of rebirth and goes straight to Vaikuntha after death. Not only this, by the merits of the Parma Ekadashi fast, the deceased ancestors of the person will also attain peace. According to the Hindu legends, this Vrat was once performed by Kuber, and he was then appointed as the Lord of Wealth by Lord Vishnu. The power of Parma Ekadashi Vrat is such that it can eradicate poverty completely from the life of its observer. The significance of Parma Ekadashi can be read in various religious Hindu scriptures. One who observes this Vrat religiously will be bestowed with the blessings and love of Lord Vishnu always. FAQs. What are the benefits of Parma Ekadashi? The Parma Shuddha Ekadashi Vrat observance is nothing short of a legendary act. It not only sweeps away the dust of poverty, replacing it with the golden sheen of prosperity and wealth, but also acts as a sacred elixir that purges the sins of the past from the souls of the devout. This virtuous practice becomes the vessel of salvation, steering them towards the hallowed sanctuary at the very lotus feet of Lord Vishnu in the celestial realms of Vaikuntha, a realm of mythical splendor and divine embrace. What does Parma Ekadashi mean? In Sanskrit, the term Parma can be elucidated as indicating the utmost superiority, excellence, or the ultimate. When contemplated upon, the concept of Parma Ekadashi could be deciphered as denoting the preeminent Ekadashi, the finest among them all, or even the ultimate Ekadashi. What is the Parna time for Parma Ekadashi 2023? Parna signifies the ceremonial meal that concludes a fasting period. Particularly during Ekadashi Vrat, the Parna is traditionally taken after Sunri Se once the Hari Vasar period is over. Parna marks the end of the fasting observance. This is how the video ends here, devotees. On this channel of ours, we provide you the fasting method, Vedic mantra, fasting story and all the information related to all the gods and goddesses. So if you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel. We wish you a happy life, always be healthy, be cool and be busy. So see you in the next video. Until you guys take care of yourself. Har Har Mahadev Bhagavate Vasudevaya.